Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ifra Dawood, cataract and NTA segment surgeon at Kashmir Eye Hospital. Today, I am going to talk about a rising health concern, which is the ill effect of excessive mobile phone usage in our children. So, we as parents always try to keep our children entertained and engaged. It is very overwhelming to be raising kids with increasing demands, with tantrums. Sometimes it gets very overwhelming, and we feel that mobile phone is an easier way out. Our child is becoming cranky, तो mobile phone पकड़ा दो. He's not eating well, तो mobile में engage कर दो, then he'll eat. We are in the waiting area, the child is making a ruckus, so give them the mobile phone and they'll be with it. We are traveling and our kids are with a mobile phone. So what is this excessive mobile phone usage doing to our children's eyes and their overall development? Firstly, excessive mobile phone use can cause something which is called as digital eye fatigue. Their little tiny eyes, as they are staring and staring into the mobile phone screens, get tired. They blink infrequently, which can lead to dryness as well as irritation. Secondly, it has been seen that increased mobile phone use leads to development of myopia, which is nearsightedness. As our children don't engage in far off activities, they are mostly on the mobile screens, तो उस वजह से क्या होता है, उनके डिस्टेंस विजन को ज़्यादा डेवलप होने का मौका नहीं मिलता एंड उसकी वजह से उनको मायोपिया होने का ज़्यादा रिस्क रहता है. थर्ड थिंग इज एज आवर kids are engaged with the phones, what are they missing out on? They're missing out on the outdoor activities. Their shoes are not getting dirty, they're not chasing butterflies, their clothes are not going dirty like ours used to be. So उस वजह से ये हो रहा है that they are not interacting with the other children much, they're not making much friends, which is affecting their social development, their communication skills, their language development. Everything is getting affected. Mobile phones emit blue light. This blue light can be dangerous for your child's retina and can cause macular degeneration. Also, this mobile phone blue light has been seen to be associated with disturbance in sleeping patterns, which leads to insomnia in children and other sleep pattern disturbances. So, hunching over the screens of the mobile phones, the children may develop postural abnormalities, back pains, and other such problems. So, now what we as parents and as doctors, what do we suggest? Firstly, we should limit the screen time of our children. For children less than 2 years of age, there should be zero screen time. It's not acceptable that they sit with their phones and then they'll eat and then they'll do other things. Second is we encourage outdoor activities in them. Play with your children in the sun. Let them feel that sunshine. Play football with them. Do outdoor activities. It is good for their overall mental development. Let them make friends outside. Let them do cycling. Let them do all these things. So as an ophthalmologist, I urge all the patients to be mindful of their child's mobile phone usage, to increase the outdoor activities, and do look into the overall health of your child. Thank you so much.